Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Nurse Julie set on Dress to Impress. So there are three symbols you're going to want to click. You're going to go to the left side first to the cafeteria, and there will be a symbol to the back corner of the room. It's actually on the right. I went there first, but it's actually on the right side, and you're just going to interact with the symbol. You can kind of see it. It's very vague. um the next two symbols are both upstairs, so you're going to go ahead and go upstairs. The second symbol is up the stairs here to the right corner of that sofa. So I just kind of went back. It's behind the elevator, so it's right here behind the couch there in the corner of the wall. The next one, you're going to want to turn left, and then here, if you see that there's a bed there in front of room 28, you'll see the next symbol there. And then for the final step, you'll need to find a key. It's going to spawn in different places. It can spawn in front of the on the reception table that you just saw before, but mine spawned in the kids' bedroom, on the table. It can also spawn in the bathroom. So bathroom, reception table upstairs, and the kids' bedroom is where you can find the keys. Now I'm in the main area where you spawned. The room is to the right, so go ahead and turn right, and you're going to then use your key to open that door. This one here, the quarantine sector, you'll need to kind of go in. You're going to go straight. I kind of forgot where I was going, but you're going to want to go straight until you hit a dead end, and you're going to turn left. Here, as you can see, it kind of died, but I went the correct way again. So go straight. Here's just me being confused. I'm so sorry. But you're going to go into this room, and you're going to want to still just go straight until you reach the nurse's room, and then you're just going to interact with it, and voila, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.